Good morning all. Today we will discuss about some word problems related to pair of linear equation in two variables to find the solution by substitution method. Then consider one question. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Listen once again. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. You know that in these two numbers, first you consider two numbers, the greater number as x. Let us consider greater number be x. Then the smaller number is y. Then according to this question, the difference between two numbers, you know that when we find the difference, first you subtract the smaller one from the greater one, that is x minus y, that is equal to 26. Then put this on equation number 1. The difference of two numbers, that is x minus y equal to 26. Then the other condition, one number is 3 times the other. One number you consider first greater number, that is x, that is 3 times the other, that means 3y. Consider this as equation number 2. Then using substitution method, find the value of x and y. Putting this value of x from second equation in 2. That is x is equal to 3y in equation 1. That is x is equal to 3y minus y is equal to 26. Then 3y minus y, that is equal to 2y, that is equal to 26. Therefore y is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is equal to 13. The value of y, that is equal to 13. Then substituting this in equation number 2, that is x is equal to 3 into 13, that is equal to 39. Therefore the smaller number y is equal to 13 and the greater number x, that is equal to 39. Therefore 39 and 13 as the numbers. Next question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Then first you consider the numerator of the fraction be x and the denominator of the fraction be y. Therefore the fraction be x by y. Then according to this question, if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, that is x plus 2 and numerator y plus 2, that's become the fraction 9 by 11. Then cross multiplying this, we will get 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2, that is 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Then transpose 9y to LHS, that become 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22, that is equal to -4. That is first equation 11x minus 9y is equal to negative 4. This is equation number 1. Next condition, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is x by y, therefore 3 is added the numerator and the denominator, that is the fraction x plus 3 and y plus 3, therefore that fraction becomes 5 by 6. Then cross multiplying, we will get 6x plus 18, that is equal to 5y plus 15. Then transpose 5y to LHS, that becomes 6x minus 5y, and transpose 18 to RHS, that is 15 minus 18, that is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. Then you consider the first equation, 11x minus 9y is equal to negative 4, and 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 3, that is equation number 2. Then from equation 1, consider 11x is equal to negative 4 plus 9y, that is x is equal to negative 4 plus 9y whole divided by 11. This is equation number 3. Okay. Then substitute the value of x, negative 4 plus 9y divided by 11 in equation number 2. We will get 6 into negative 4 plus 9y divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to negative 3. That is 6 into negative 4, that is negative 24, plus 9, 6 are 54, y minus divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to negative 3. Take the LCM 11, that is equal to negative 24 plus 54y minus 55y, then transpose this LCM to RHS, that become minus 33. Then minus 24 minus y is equal to negative 3. Adding 54y minus 55y, that is minus y, that is equal to minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24, that is equal to negative 33 plus 24. Negative 33 plus 24, find the difference of that number. 33, difference of 33 and 24, that is 9, then greater number sign negative, then y is equal to 9. Then putting the values in second equation, we will get 6x minus 5 into 9, that is equal to negative 3. That is 6x minus 45 is equal to negative 3. Then 6x is equal to negative 3 plus 45, that is equal to 42. Then x is equal to 42 divided by 6, that is equal to 7. Then x, we will take the numerator, therefore the fraction is 7 by 9. The given fraction is 7 by 9, that's all. Thank you.